is going on, guys? Welcome back to our video. So today we are doing another eating video. So we got a traditional Kosovo and Albanian food, as you can see right here, and we got some onions as well. No, I love onions, and this goes with some bread. And I got some salt, so we're gonna put the salt. Wait, how does this work? Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. Okay, put the salt. I've got some water, guys. Yes, I'm gonna go quickly get some water. Okay, guys, we're back. So, let's go. Oh, shoot. Okay. Got the water. Okay. Whew. Get some bread. Get some bread. Really good. Oh, can't make a mess. Let's clean this. Okay, we're good. It's okay. See where the camera goes best. Got the camera now. Okay, I think this is where you can see the food. Okay. Some onions. That's so good. I really like it. Some onions right here. Got a little bit of bread. But a little more salt because I can't taste the salt. I can't. So this is my second video. So in the morning, my mom said we're gonna do pizza. But now she said no, we're gonna do this traditional Albanian food. So yeah, but guys, I'm an Albanian, so yeah, we'll do sometimes. I hope tomorrow we have some burgers. I was gonna say to my mom, let's get some burgers. Oh no. So guys, this is so guys, my first video that I made was yesterday, but I didn't have too many time to post that video yesterday, so I posted today. So I was gonna say I did it today, and I posted it today, but I did post it today, but I didn't make it today. So guys, you should count that as I did the video yesterday. a little bit of water right there. So guys, all the schools and all the schools are shut down. And then tomorrow we're gonna start with what's it called? Like, we have to get the computers and we have to work on the computers. Why, dude? I don't want to do that. That's super weird. Now, it's not that weird, like, because I just want to, like, I don't know guys how to say it, but I just hope like they're just gonna like get us some homework, like just do the let's do the work that we sent it to us, and then it's over. Like, and yeah, guys, it's just. Okay, guys, we're back. My mom just came into the room. Just left something in the bathroom, but it's all fine. We will have a lot of onions. So guys, I was like watching Zachio and Mikado Avocado and some like that. Mikado Avocado and I'm watching for the cringe. But I just watched Zachio and like I was like, I want to do this too, like, and I did it, but it's not getting any views, no subscribers. But yeah, guys. A little bit of bread. A little bit of bread. Guys, I like on another state, not Albania, like this, you like the thing. It was so gross, and I bet, trust me, if you try one, it's really good. So good. Oh my god. As you wonder what what's the name of this food? It's for Americans. It's kind of like funny, but for a it's not funny. It's called pasol. It's kind of funny for you guys, I would think, but For Albanians, no. It's their traditional food, so yeah. And they're done. I'm not gonna finish the bread. Can't. This is so good. A little bit more bread. Okay. This is really good. Especially when you put it in the bread, but I thought the bread is even better. Finished. Wait. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Bye.